Hello, I'm your teacher Randy League, and welcome to a Goodwin English short English lesson. Now we are going to take a look at the phrase, which do you like better, dog or cat? Grammatically, this is incorrect. The problem here is that the words dog and cat are both singular. Singular means only one. Really, this should be plural. Plural means more than one. So, for example, dogs and cats. So our question should look like this. Which do you like better, dogs or cats? When you ask someone about their likes or dislikes, usually you're going to want to use the plural tense. For example, do you like dogs? Do you like pancakes? When you use the plural tense, you're saying that, in general, you like dogs. Not one dog, but dogs in general. There are some situations where you can use the singular tense. This is when you want to be very specific. Let's say that we go to a pet store. You want to buy a pet. In front of us is a cat and a dog. I look at you and I ask you, which do you like better, the cat or the dog? Here, I'm talking specifically about the cat and the dog in front of us. So, be careful. Usually, when you ask someone about their likes or dislikes, you should use the plural tense. Now, we are going to take a look at the phrase, how do you call this dog in English? Let's say that you go to your friend's house, and your friend has a very interesting looking dog. You have never seen this dog before. You have never seen this type of dog before. You do not know what kind of dog it is. So, you want to ask your friend, what kind of dog is it? In this situation, I've had many of my students say, how do you call this dog in English? But this is wrong. If you ask your friend this question, how do you call this dog in English? Your friend will look at you funny and say, usually I just say, here boy, or come here. So the meaning of the question is wrong. Basically, the question means, how do you get your dog to come to you? Instead, try this phrase. What breed of dog is this? Breed means the type of dog. Maybe it's a German Shepherd. Maybe it's a Labrador Retriever. These are all breeds. You could also use this phrase. What do you call this dog in English? you can see that many students make the mistake of using how instead of what here. Today, we looked at the question, do you like dog or cat? The grammar in this sentence is wrong. The words dog and cat should be plural. So, dogs and cats. Singular means only one, plural means more than one. If you want to ask someone this question, try this. Which do you like better, dogs or cats? We looked at the sentence, how do you call this dog? The question, how do you call this dog in English, is incorrect. To call a dog means to have the dog come to you. If you want to know what type of dog it is, try using these questions. What breed of dog is this? What do you call this dog in English? What kind of dog is this? That's it for today's short lesson. Remember to subscribe to our channel to see more English speaking videos. Also, check out our Patreon page. Your support helps us to continue to make new and better video lessons. Bye-bye.